guys, good morning. Fred, VE3FAL, Ontario Northwest Bushcrafter and Outdoors. It is Saturday, January 27th, 10:34 a.m., -2 degrees, some light snow. We're heading out to the tent to spend the night tonight and play in winter field day. We're loaded up. We've got the sleigh loaded up, got the quad loaded up. A little too much stuff, but I guess never never too much. Better safe than sorry. I was going to try and drive in, but this is like sugar under here, and with the trailer on, I probably could have broke trail with just the truck first, then took the trailer in, but I'm not going to take the chance of getting stuck in here and playing around for a couple hours. So we're loaded up, ready to go. So we're going to lock everything up, and we are going to drive into the tent and attempt to carry everything back in or up. So I'll catch up with you guys on the trail here in just a bit. Load number one more to go. All right, we made it. Load number one. Temperature is what, -2. So -2. Slight wind here, nothing major. We can see the tent held up extremely well this time. Lots of critters around. Squirrels, rabbits. Looks like there's been a fox up here chasing. In fact, something's been up. Looks like a rabbit has been up on the tent too. What the heck is that? Interesting. Oh, something's been up on the roof. Alright, so I think I'm going to get the stove going. I'm going to unpack some of this stuff, and I'll go down and get the other load. So I'll catch up with you guys here in a bit. Alright, it's pretty dark in here. Let's see if we can't get the fire going. I've got one of these cheap Chinese made magnesium / ferro rods. I didn't realize that's what I had bought when I bought them. I was assuming they were ferro rods. But let's just see if we can't get this bark and lint in here started, and then we'll throw the rest of the good stuff on it. Almost. Helps if I gotta hit that ferro rod part. There we go. The lint started. Sits on the birch bark going. There is something to be said about good ferro rods, that's for sure. Can't get these small twigs started, let's see. Something going in here. Get this going, and I am going to go down and get the other load. And then we're going to clean the roof off again. maybe that's a start. Keep it going. All right, gonna go grab the other stuff. All right, so clearing the trail into Little Grassy. Oh yeah? Right here. Oh yeah? The snow?
Yeah. It's all blowing up against the shore here.
Yeah. Oh yeah. It's hard too.
I think once we get on the ice we'll be fine.
Yeah.
Just gotta get there.
Yeah. All right, here we are. Saturday, January 27th, 13:05 on the clock. So 1:05 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And we made it into Little Grassy. Chainsaw decided to quit, had to cut a few trees out, some limbs, branches. We got stuck just, you know, coming in. All the snow drifted, but
at least we got through that big tree.
Yeah.
Before our chainsaw quit.
But here we are, out on the lake.
We're not going to bring kids with us. We better start getting a gas auger, Fred.
I hear ya.
It's either kids or a gas auger.
I hear ya, yeah. Yeah, gas auger. She's deep, eh?
Oh yeah, I knew there was going to be lots of ice.
She's deep. It's only, what, about 6 inches of snow on top.
There's some deep spots of snow though.
Oh yeah.
Over there. I should have took off my snowplow bracket.
Yeah, mine stays on too.
Yeah.
It makes a difference. But oh well. Mine's too hard to take off. Summertime I'll take it off. Oh. What are you at now?
Oh, I don't know.
About 18 inches? Close. Yeah, pretty close. Gotta be close. I can feel it going through. Come on.
I'm getting old for it.
Yeah, I hear you. Oh, that's pretty interesting.
Oh, trips.
Huh? Oh,
There we go.
we're through. We are through. Look at that. Woohoo! So that was right to the handle here. So that's got to be 24 inches. Got to be at least that. 24 inches of ice. Wolf tracks out here. And coming in, you can see where there's some deer bedding down. So, guaranteed this guy's been been up under the tree and hiding in here. right, and I fixed up I wanted to. Alright, BOGDALAS smokies done on the fire over there, which you can't see. Boiled up. Radio in the dark. James in the dark, he's always in the dark.
Reading the fishing regs.
Fishing regs, yep. Alright, bands are hopping, but nobody hears my QRP signal, so typical contest time. Everybody sends and sends and sends and nobody listens. So we'll keep going. 40 meters is extremely active, and we'll check out 80 meters here in a bit. So far the Zygu X5105 is holding out quite well. I have only made 3 contacts, but those contacts are Indiana, North Florida with Tony, and then North Texas W5 Alpha Whiskey Lima. So 2 on voice, 1 on CW. Look at the thermometer here. Minus 15.
Minus 16?
Minus 15, right on the button.
That's not bad at all.
No. Alright guys, so it's 8 o'clock right now in the morning. And we've started packing up. Been here since yesterday, about 10 o'clock. I operated winter field day. The bands were not the greatest. The antenna I had up first wasn't performing well. The highlight of the whole weekend radio-wise was working Tony, K9 Alpha Romeo Victor down in Florida with my Zygu X5105 and the MFJ whip. It was just unbelievable that he could hear me. So that was a highlight. Getting into Little Grassy Lake, and of course doing a little bit of fishing there, digging some holes, playing on the ice was a lot of fun too. And just spending a weekend in the bush is fun. I mean, there's no doubt about it. So it's 8 o'clock in the morning. It was minus 15 earlier. We can see we're down to minus 16 now. So usually as the sun comes up, it gets a little colder out. So we can see that it's starting to chill off. Here's a bit of a wind. So I got a few more things to do. I'm just gonna put some of the water I have here into the snow again to try and keep it from freezing. Pack the rest of my gear up and then take the sleigh down and come back up for my backpacks and go from there. So thanks for watching guys. Thanks James again for a good weekend. Thanks for coming out. And guys, thanks for coming out as well. So this is Fred, VE3FAL, Ontario Northwest Bushcrafter and Outdoors, saying 7-3 guys. And this is a sunrise this morning. as we're heading out from our weekend